Hello. Today we will walk through the installation process of the IGCTools software package of geophysical applications. Installation occurs in two steps. The first step is installing the data folders and files in the project directory. The second step is installing the application itself. Data directories with existing examples are installed so users can immediately begin using the application. Begin by launching the installation program. If it prompts you to allow the program to make changes to your machine, click Yes. On the introduction screen, click Next, then click the Install IGCTools Data button. This will open the window for extracting all the folders and files from the supplied zip file. Click the Zip File Directory button. This will allow you to set the folder location of the supplied zipped folder. Next, you will select the location for the project directory. For this demonstration, I have selected the demo directory. The space required for these files is approximately 2 gigabytes. It is important to remember the location of the project directory. It will be linked to the application once the software is installed. Next, select the Extract Data option in the File menu. Then click Files and Directories from the zip file. The window below will show the files as they are unpacked from the zip folder. The process will take 1 to 3 minutes depending on your computer speed. You will be notified once it is finished. Click OK and click Exit and return to Main menu. After completing the installation of the data folders and files, the next step is to install the application. Clicking the Next button or the Step 2 tab will navigate to the application install page. Click the Install IGCTools Application button to begin the installation. Follow the prompts by clicking Next. Click I agree to the End User License Agreement and click Next. Select the program location and appropriate settings. The application requires 600 megabytes of storage space. Click Next to start the installation. Once completed, you may run the application for the first time. Please watch the next video for directions on requesting and activation of licensing for the application. For any questions or comments, please send them to info@igc-ok.com. The email address is provided below. Thank you for your time.